Today we're going to be looking at two special nodes. One is the HTML to PDF node, which takes a string of HTML content and turns that into a PDF. And the other one is the URL to PDF node, which takes a URL to a website and generates PDF from it. These two nodes are useful for generating PDF files from any data or content that you might have in your apps. For example, if you want to send a PDF summary to your customer, or simply take a PDF of a website and further process it into your workflows, you can add this node. Let's start with the HTML to PDF one. So what I've got here is a REST API call with a path, HTML to PDF, and a method post. So this node takes three values. One is the file path. This is going to be the path where the PDF file will be stored in the internal storage of BuildShip. Then we have a PDF options interface to configure the returned PDF. And finally, the HTML content itself. So for example, what I can do here is have that content come from my HTTP requests body dot content, and the file path, we'll call it report.pdf. What I can then do is use a myriad of options, such as, for example, sending it via email with resend or SendGrid. It's up to you. Maybe you want to upload it to your project's file storage on BuildShip or on Google Cloud. Cool. But what about taking a URL and turning it into a PDF? Let's add that node and walk through its possible fields. Now you're going to recognize a lot of this from the HTML to PDF node. So URL to PDF is going to generate a PDF document from a specified URL. So it's going to take the content of that website, and you'll need to set three things. First of all, the file path itself, where it'll get stored in the internal storage. Then there's a PDF options interface that we've seen before. And finally, the URL that will be parsed in order to create this PDF content. And likewise, what we can do is, for example, take that request body and take the URL from it and store that in blogpost.pdf. And since this is a PDF just like before, we can either forward it with SendGrid or resend, or store it on one of our options. And as you can see, this is extremely flexible. So you can expand this any way you like to build your ideas with a powerful backend. See you next time.